Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to place a group order on Doordash. So first of all, you need to open up Doordash app on your mobile device, and then from the home screen, head over to your desired restaurant page. And once you're on the restaurant profile, you need to tap on this group icon right over here. Click on this option right over here to add spending limit per person only if you want to. From here, you can either select an amount or just tap on this other option to enter in your desired amount, and then click on Save option right over here. Once you've set a spending limit, tap on Start Group Order. And once you have started the group order, tap on Invite option over here, and then share the invite link with others to join your group order. When everyone is done adding their items into the cart, you can close the group order and then complete the checkout. Well, that's how you place a group order on Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.